Halos hindi na kita makilala. I can hardly recognize you anymore. Marami nang nagbago buhat nang umalis ka. A lot has changed since you left. Kilala mo pa kaya ako? Do you still know me? Mukhang hindi mo na ako kilala. It looks like you don't know me anymore. Hindi ko matandaan ang mukha niya, pero pamilyar ang pangalan niya. I can't remember his face, but his name is familiar. Saan na kaya siya nakatira ngayon? Where does he live now? Dati-rati, mahiyain ka. Ngayon nakikihalubilo ka na. You used to be shy, but now you are socializing. Gusto sana kitang ipakilala sa mga kaibigan ko, kaya lang nahihiya ako. I would like to introduce you to my friends, but I am shy. Sino nga ulit yung kasama mo kahapon? Who was with you yesterday? Kilala pa kaya ako nila? Do they still know me? May nagbago ba sa itsura ko? Has anything changed in my appearance? Sa tingin mo, magugustuhan nila ang bago kong itsura? Do you think they will like my new look? Siya yung palagi kong kasamang kumain sa labas. He is the one I always eat with outside. Napakataba niya dati, ngayon sobrang payat na. He used to be very fat, now he is very thin. Mas matangkad ka na sa akin ngayon. You are taller than me now. Mas gumanda ka. He looked prettier. Mas gumagwapo ka. He looked more handsome. Marami na ang nagbago sa itsura niya. Much has changed in his appearance. Tingnan mo, gaya pa rin siya ng dati. Look, he's still the same as before. May kaibigan talaga tayo na magbabago sa paglipas ng taon. We really have a friend who changes over the years. Nagkita kami pagkalipas ng maraming taon. We met after a few years. Nakakatuwa naman na nakita kita dito. It's nice to see you here. Kailan ka ulit uuwi? When are you going home again? Sabihan mo ako kapag nakauwi ka na. Let me know when you get home. May pagkakataon bang makauwi ka? Do you have a chance to go home? Malayo pala ang inuuwian mo. Your house is far. Kasama mo ba siyang umuwi? Did he go home with you? Umuwi kayo ng maaga at huwag nang magpagabi. You go home early and don't spend the night. Umaga na akong nakauwi sa bahay. I got home in the morning. Bakit wala ka nang dumating ako sa bahay? Why you're not at home when I came? Baka may pinuntahan lang siya. Maybe he just went somewhere.